Maricelo Anas.
To our honored guest and keynote speaker, Dr. Illuminati Dayagil. To the chairman of the BWS Board of Trustees, Engineer Albert M. Uy. To the esteemed member of the BWS Board of Trustees, Dr. Vincent Rupert Elia. To the head of the administrative team, Dr. Raul H. Deloso. And of course, to the Mother Lady of the College of Education, Dr. Maricel F. Deloso. To our respected mentors, pre-service teachers, and fellow graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all. I am standing here today on the threshold of a new beginning. My heart is filled with emotions that words alone cannot fully capture. The journey we have ventured on together within the hallowed halls of this prestigious institution has been a masterpiece of growth, learning, challenges, and triumphs that have shaped us into the individuals we are today. To our dear mentors, whose guidance, wisdom, and unyielding support have been the pillars upon which our academic and personal growth have been flourished, and I am forever grateful for that. You have been more than a mentors. You have been torches of light in our darkest moments and champions of our dreams. And of course, to my dear batchmates, who have been my companions, my allies, and my source of strength throughout this journey. I am honored to have shared this chapter of our lives because there were times that we laughed together, we cried, and even we screamed with joy. And we participated as a team, and we won together during our recollection day. The excitement and all of these moments we have shared are just priceless. You know what? The feeling of having wonderful people around us is very beautiful. But the pain of moving away is even greater. But as we say, everything's a part of life as it goes on. This day is filled with many emotions. We feel elated yet dejected, happy yet sad, as this will be among the last days we will share with our friends and teachers. The feeling will sink in later as the day concludes, and you'll wish it never ends. But it's only in the black of night that you see the stars, and those stars lead you back home. As we are to enter into a new life, don't be afraid to make mistakes, to stumble and even fall, because most of the times, the greatest rewards come from doing the things that scare you the most. Maybe you'll get everything you wish for, or maybe you'll get more than you ever could have imagined. But who knows where life will take you. And as we prepare to bid farewell to this institution that has been our home for the past few years, for 2 consecutive years for being in a OmniLearning program or a modular program, and 2 years for virtual classes, let us carry with us the memories we have created, the lessons we have learned, and the friendships we have cultivated. And I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for being a part of this incredible journey. And may we all continue to strive for excellence, chase our dreams with passion, and make a positive impact on the world around us. Farewell, dear institutions, mentors, and batchmates. May our paths diverge, but our memories unite us forever. The Valorous Transcenders!